Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. As you can see, and as you can tell by the title, we have a creative Valentine's Day pick-me-up video. This is for all my gals and guys who are taken or single. You don't have to celebrate Valentine's Day because you are in a relationship. It can be whatever reason, to go out with your girls, whatever you're celebrating. I am in a relationship, but we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day because it's just like a gimmick to me. I just like celebrating it as in the occasion, doing looks like this. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here more. And if you do love a creative look like this and you want to see more like this from me, then make sure to smash a huge thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy it. Also, I forgot to mention, this is a full face of all pink packaging makeup products. I thought this would be fun and different, and yeah, I thought it would be fun. So let's go to the clips of me picking out the makeup products for this makeup look. Let me know what colour you want to see next. If you want to see how I created this Valentine's Day inspired glam snatched look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with eyeshadow. Let's be honest, I already know what I'm going to pick. Jordana Tisha, New Definity eyeshadow palette. Has to be. What else do I want on my eyes that's pink? Do I have to choose the lashes that are pink? Don't Beauty do eyelashes anymore? I'm assuming so. I used to love these eyelashes. Chloe Elizabeth. We're going to choose those. So primer. I am straight away again Doll Beauty. Gonna go for that. I think that's it. And then it's got to be again Jordana Tisha Powder Duo. I'm gonna take Flossy and Pearl Sugar because I like both shades. The packaging is both pink, so that's what we're going for. Then foundation. Now guys, let me know if you want a collection. I think it's gonna have to be Kylie Cosmetics. I do really love this foundation, so let's go with that. Concealer. Now, could go with the Kylie one. Yeah, let's go with the Kylie one. That's pink, so we're going to go with that. Now for bronzer, I think I already know what I'm going to go for. I think I'm going to go for the P. Louise cream bronzer. And then powder. Oh, I could do Doll Beauty. Let's do Doll Beauty because I haven't even used this, I don't think. And then let's look for blush. Luckily, for my sake, there is a lot of blushes and other products actually that have pink packaging. Definitely got to be a pink blush. Let's do Malibu Barbie. And then obviously I'm going to have to go with the matching blush. Absolutely stunning. Really need a blush topper, guys. Is that pink or is it more like a cream? I'd say it's more of a cream. I have got these Doll Beauty ones that I love. How could I forget these? Does that count? The Clinique one, they're clear. It's gonna have to be the Doll Beauty one again. I would have used these, but I did use this in my last video, the Jordana Tisha blushes, and I've just realised that she's discontinuing these now, so that's great. I bought those for absolutely no reason, but she's keeping some of the shades, which is good. Then we have lip products. Now I have way too many lip products. Obviously, again, I think it's gonna have to be Doll Beauty lip pencil. Let's switch it up. I'm gonna go for Run the World lip liner, Doll Beauty. I think I'm going to switch it up and use the Fenty Beauty. Oh, I forgot about the Mario ones. Actually, I haven't used these in a while, the Mario lip serums, so I'm gonna use that. Why not? Setting spray, guys. Now I think we're gonna have to use Doll Beauty, or I could use the Glow Milk Mist. Or is it cheating if I use the MAC one? Let's go with Doll Beauty because it is pink, isn't it? Right, that's all my products chosen. Let's put it on my face. Sorry, excuse me for watching RuPaul's Drag Race from season 1 UK. I absolutely love. Ignore this in the background. It's the sun. It's decided to come out. That's a good thing because at the moment we're having a storm and she is brewing. Okay, so today in honour of Valentine's Day, I have my Love Heart pyjama top on and I absolutely love it. I know I'm going to get questions about it, so it is from Primark. But I'm doing a full face of pink packaging makeup product. I've seen this going around for a while where they choose a colour and they try and get products that are that colour to use on their face. So this is a full face of pink packaging products and I'm so excited. I was going to do red, but then I thought pink is a little bit easier to do. But let me know if you want to see red. Might be a bit too late by then, but maybe I could do yellow for St. David's Day. If you are a fellow Welshie like me, you'll know what St. David's Day is. If you don't, look it up. But I'm going to start with my eyes. Obviously I've gone in with my eyebrows and an eye base, but we're going to take the very popular, very well loved Jordana T-shirt Nude Definity eyeshadow palette. I absolutely live and breathe this palette. I love it on myself. I love using it for clients. This is my one and I just stuck my finger in that. Brilliant. So what I'm going to do is take Luna on a nice fluffy brush. Don't worry, I'm going to say the shades of the name to show you guys what it looks like because I got told off last time. Okay, so I took that shade. It wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, but it's just added a little bit of depth. I'm going to go in with Pisces now, which is this one here. You're gonna have to ignore that noise, but I'm just following the shape of like a wing. I can't say any of these, but Gaia? This one here, which is a nice like sort of neutral brown. Before that noise starts again, I'm going to take Embrace, which is the lightest shade, and I'm just popping it in the inner corner here just to brighten that bit up. So I've just gone in with some of the black to line my lash line for when I put eyelashes on. Not looking the way I want it to at the moment, but I don't know what's going on here. I think I'm going to go on to face now. I am going to do something different to my eyes in a sec after the face, but let's do the face first. So for primer, I'm going to go in with, of course, the Dolly Prep by Doll Beauty. Very pink packaging Doll Beauty have. So what I love about this primer is not only does it rip and really get tacky, it feels really hydrating on the skin. So that's what I love. I'm just going to let that dry down a little bit. But whilst we wait, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear Foundation. I always forget how good this is. I've got the shade 4.5W. I might have to tan my neck a little bit, instant tan, but we'll see. Like I said, I always forget how good this is. Look how glowy my skin looks. Chef's kiss. Kylie has just come out with a powder foundation and I am dying to get my hands on it. I think it has come into Boots yet, but I don't know if it's like launched yet in Boots. Best believe I will be buying it. So if you want to see a review on that, let me know. Just gonna blend this down my neck. This is what I love about this foundation. It gives like a satin matte finish, and we all know I am literally a sucker for satin matte finishes. How beautiful. That's why I think her powder foundation would be perfect on top of this if you've got more oily skin. And then for cream bronzer, you would have seen me pick all these up, but I'm gonna explain them anyway. P. Louise Spoilt for Choice cream bronzer. This is in the shade Coffee Toast, and I really do love this bronzer. It's such a creamy formula, but you can definitely build up on it. Look at that. Blends in like butter. The pigment on these and the blendability is just absolute perfection. Again, I forget how good these are. I much prefer these compared to her liquid ones. I just love a pan cream bronzer anyway, compared to like a liquid bronzer. Then for concealer, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade 3N. And I'm just going to pop this under my eyes, ready to blend out. It's not as brightening as I like to go these days. It's actually getting quite dark. It's later on in the day than I normally film, so the sun behind us is gone, thank God. Obviously putting it under here. So whilst that's drying down a little bit, we're going to go in with the Doll Beauty Pretty Fly Cream Melt in the shade Malibu Bar Bay. This is such a beautiful pink shade, light baby pink shade. Hello, what's happened? Sorry, I was blending and Connor rang me, so the shade is actually okay. It's like bright enough to brighten, but like not too much. That is a really nice concealer actually. I love it when a concealer dries down a little. By the way, I probably mentioned this in the intro and obviously you would have seen the final result, but this makeup is just to feel like good. It's Valentine's Day coming up. I don't want you guys feeling like pressured into having a partner. You guys out there who are single, like, this is a makeup look for you to feel good in. So yeah. Next we're going to take the Jordana T-shirt loose powder in the shade Pearl Sugar. This is for under my eyes and everywhere else, I suppose. So I'm going to take this on a powder puff. If you really want to set this down, if you are going out somewhere, then spray it with some setting spray at every step. But because I'm just going to take this off, I'm going to be real with you guys, I'm not going to do that. Then I'm going in with Flossy, which is Jordana T-shirt's pink powder, and I'm going to put this here. This, I've been loving the ombre of the pink powder to the nice and neutral powder, and obviously it would be a nice gradient to the blusher as well. Then set my bronzer. I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty Gimme Sun bronzer in the shade medium. I don't know if this is going to be a bit too light, but love the size of this. It's massive. Love the mirror too. Why have I never used the mirror before? Always use patting motions at first to really set that down. That's a really nice colour actually. Not too overpowering. That is my first time using that. Remember the black one I used to have? The old packaging? That lasted me a lifetime. So this is going to last me like 2 decades. Just want to add a little bit more brightness to my under eyes. I'm going in with the press side of the Jordana T-shirt powder in only Pearl Sugar. And I'm just going to go in the inner corner just to brighten. See the difference? Now she is set. And then for blush, obviously I've got to go in with Malibu Barbie matching powder. Look at how pigmented these are. Love that blush so much. These are so underrated. And then of course, again, I'm going to take the Dolly Set Super Fix Spritzer from Doll Beauty. This stuff's good, but it's harsh. She's a wet mist. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go off camera and do my glitz and glam on my eyes. If you want to see like an in-depth of how to do that, then go head over to my TikTok. It'll be on there. I have no idea how long it's taken me to do this, but this is the look. The eyes. And I've also tried to attempt my hair to be a little bit different. I don't know. I tried, okay? Anyway, I'm going back in with my eyes now. Obviously, I'm going to go in with the Jordana T-shirt palette. And I'm going to take a black, I think. Go right at the lashes. And I'm just taking the 3 shades that we took on the top and just going to smoke that out. Also, let's pause the video a sec. I like to do this in a random part of my video so I know you're all still engaging and watching. Let's put as many pink emojis as you like in the comments down below. They can be heart, pink heart emojis, flowers, anything relating to Valentine's Day as well. Thank you so much to everyone who does this. I see your comments all the time. I appreciate you all so much. Pop them in the comments for me to see and I will reply to you all. Anyway, back to the video. What I'm going to do now is take that black on the liner brush and I'm going to take it, elongate my eyes. I love doing this. My eyes are all done now. Beautiful, stunning. And then for like blush topper, I'm going to take the Doll Beauty Glow Getters in the shade Vacation. Obviously, it's my absolute favourite. We all know this by now. This is absolutely stunning. If you just want like me, for example, I love a matte, like satin matte full face. But then on the cheeks, I like to add a little bit of highlight, but not like highlight, if you know what I mean. I love a blush topper. And then for lips, of course, I'm going in with another Doll Beauty product. Lip liner in Run the World. Are so creamy and pigmented. Last but definitely not least, Makeup by Mario. What are these called? Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serums. Love these, just to add a bit of shine and plump to my lips. Okay, this is the final look. I was going to change my top, but I don't think I need to. I was going to put some earrings in as well, but I forgot. So it's taken me so long. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's like inspired you to put a little bit of glitz on your face? Because I definitely want to do more looks like this. And let me know if you want to see more creative looks like this from me, because I had a whale of a time. This is right up my street. Would you rather it short form or long form? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what videos you want to see from me. Obviously, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. That'll let me know that you do like these type of videos and you want to see more creativity here from me. I hope you have a lush day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.